Here's my beer review of my first Snow of Spring ESB. Okay, this was became a lighter alcohol beer, about 4.2%. Had a really big head when I put it on started, but the head dies really quick. The head's just a creamy color. Okay, there's only about a half a finger of head on this, and the smell. Okay, the smell is kind of malty, a little bit like earthy, like woody kind of smell. Yeah, a little woodiness. Okay, and let's try it. Okay, the first taste that I get is kind of a caramel maltiness. The color of this too is a deep orange. So the first taste you get of it is kind of like a caramel maltiness. On the back end, kind of a honey, a little bit of a honey flavor. And slice spiciness to it. Alright, the mouthfeel. Carbonation's real light, so it's kind of a smooth carbonation. It has a few bubbles coming up. Doesn't have much for lacing, a little bit. And the mouthfeel is kind of a real rich mouthfeel. Okay, this is it kind of has a mouthfeel of like almost like a stout, which is very interesting. Well, all in all, I think this was a really great beer. It's really smooth, good drinking for the spring. Alright guys, well that was my review.